career teacher. We're so glad to have you back, Scrappy Cat.
Well, you know how much I love UTC. I really miss this place. Now, where are all the new trainees?
Let's bring them on up.
Wow, what memories this brings out. Training here at McKinsey, eating at Crows, and all those stairs I had to run up on Cardiac Hill.
Well, here they are. Boys, get to it. We got just a week to figure out which one of these group will make the best top mocks to lead the next freshman orientation. Do you think this group has enough mock spirit to succeed?
I can see some potential, but goodness gracious, there are so many of you.
You stay back. Names?
Well, they call me Rooster around here.
And they call me Hangman. I knew you two looked familiar. Y'all think you got what it takes? Not everyone can be a UTC orientation leader. It takes a true muck to know how amazing UTC is.
Scrappy Mav, I think I'm your best option for this mission. I know how to get all the freshmen ready. I know all about how the fourth floor is the basement library, how Chamberlain Field is the place to be on a beautiful and sunny Chattanooga night, and I won't forget to mention that the women's basketball team are SoCon champs this year. What more could you want, University?
I know that I'm the best in this position, and if you don't think so, then I'll go to ETSU.
No worries. There's plenty more time to find me the spot. Rooster, let me talk to you.
So what do you say?
This job is hard. Your dad and I were partners back in the day, and I don't want you to get hurt. Have you been around freshmen before? They're just getting out of high school. They don't know where their classes are. They haven't even met Miss Cassandra yet. It's the danger zone.
We've got you hurt here. You will never be UTC's top marks. Scrappy, we've been trying to get you for years.
Ha! You know UTC is no good place I call home. You Buccaneers are not compared to how amazing UTC is. Let us Mocs fly back home to where we belong.
Like I said, we've been trying to get you for years. You really think we would let you go that easy?
We can't stay here, Scrappy Mav. We had to find a way out of here.
Rooster, this is why I did not want you to come with me. This is what happened to your dad and he never came back.
These ETSU people cannot hold us. We had to figure out what to do.
Talk to me, Goose. We need help.
Attention, everybody! I never thought I would say this, but we have to help them. They are truly two of the best top mocks in the world. We're gonna have to save them. Listen, everyone, we're gonna have to go in there with a boom.
Hangman, thank you for saving us. I can never be a Buccaneer.
Hangman, I knew you'd come around. You did it, man. You saved us.
You three have truly proved yourselves. Rooster, Hangman, you two are officially UTC's next top marks. Scrappy, we'd love for you to take this on with the new program. There's no one better to be UTC's next top marks than you three. There's nothing more I can say. You guys really leveled up. We have to keep UTC flying.
I gotta stay.